Today, Mongo need fixed lawnmower. This it's Craftsman 54-inch cutting deck. Engine not happy. So engine burned too much oil. And engine seized on Mongo while cutting. So burn all the oil out. Then engine stopped. So Mongo fill up with oil. It start back up. And then it runs some more. But in 10-minute time it burned from full to there. So this engine not good. It go bye-bye. Mongo don't want it blow up while he out. Don't want oil all over yard. So Mongo do engine swap. Now this actually already been swapped once. So original engine, it have leak. Original engine have leak on case seal down there. There's top part of case, bottom part of case, and there's a seal in there. So it leak. So Mongo pulled that engine out, put this engine in. This engine run good for a little while till it burned too much oil and seize. So Mongo do video later on other engine how to fix Mongo fix seal. So this other lawnmower, this donor mower, Mongo had to fix transmission. Ended up putting 5-speed manual in it. Used to have stupid 7-speed continuously variable. It garbage. It not good. So this mower run real good after Mongo fix. So new transmission. Actually did engine swap on this one too. This engine not for this mower. But this engine run good. With parts. So special bracket for air filter, but engine run good. So this engine go in that mower. That's what we do today. And then this mower, Mongo say bye-bye to. Because that mower better. And then that other mower, that run good. Looked like oil leak on bottom though. Uh-oh. Maybe need to fix that one too. That one Mongo put different deck on. Put 48-inch. Work good though. Custom exhaust, you know. Stupid. That's what make it great. It's dumb. This mower real good. So that's what we do today. Engine swap.